This is our new domestic headquarters in the U.S. Obviously, Pillar is worldwide, so you have Pillar Italy, Spain, Singapore, Germany, UK, etc.
And this building, is it manufacturing as well, or research?
Yes, we have both office space and manufacturing space here.
How many employees here?
We have just under 50 employees here within the building.
And do you still have the one on off Tower Drive?
No, that was a space that we were leasing. Now we've actually built and we own this facility.
These devices, they must be obviously quite expensive.
Yeah, they are large products. Again, our Rotary UPS itself, our core product, is built in Germany. We have an example of one of our flywheels right here, which is a cross section of it. Ultimately, what this does is it gives you ride-through time. So it replaces a massive room full of batteries, is the best way to explain it, within a 4x4 footprint. So for the most part, it's a very environmental friendly and it's a cost savings product based on you being able to have additional real estate to utilize for clients or office space versus for your to support your infrastructure.
Now, what is the typical range on price of these things?
Oh, they range anywhere from a couple $100,000 to close to $1 million. But again, we're talking anywhere from 500 kW to 3 megawatts of power. So there's a big range there.
What powers them?
What powers them? Typically they're running on utility power, and then in the event of an outage, it transfers over to generator power. And what our flywheel does is it ultimately bridges that gap from the time the utility fails to the time the generator starts and starts to carry the critical load.
So to equate this to a consumer, this is like a commercial version of an uninterruptible power supply on your home computer.
It's exactly that, with the understanding that this is a much more robust type of UPS system compared to what you would have for your computer. This is actually a rotary UPS.
What's the difference?
The difference between a rotary and a static UPS are the ability for it to ride through failures or fault currents. You can actually operate our UPS units at 150% overload capacity at full time. So it's one of the major design attributes of our equipment.
Why did the company choose Orange County and Wallkill to build this?
It's because it's the best county in New York State. What else? No, obviously it's one of the biggest growing areas. We've had a facility here for the last 10 years in the area for Pillar. Prior to Pillar, we were KW Control, which that facility was also in Orange County.
Correct.
So it's just we're committed to Orange County, and Orange County's been good to us, and we want to give back.
So if the products are made in Germany, you said?
Our core product is made in Germany, the Rotary UPS itself. Domestically here, we do all of the engineering and controls manufacturing and testing. So what we do here is we take different components of the system, bring it together, and provide our customers with a turnkey solution.
Okay, so they'll ship the parts over and you'll assemble them and...
Yeah, but we also manufacture control products here.
Gotcha.
So we have manufacturing in Europe as well as manufacturing here domestically. Our domestic product is actually what ties all of the different components together and allows it to communicate in a fully operational system.